Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of UAE Council of Karachi, I welcome you all to this gathering. May I please request Mr. Intisaruddin to start the proceeding.
I would just like to say thank you to all of you to get here, to join hand with us on this memorable moment. Before we start, I just want to give you a brief, I think so that you all are aware of that UAE is taking an initiative of holding the first expo in Pakistan, which will gives a platform for the people of Pakistan to understand the UAE, the contribution they are providing to the infrastructure of UAE, and the contribution they are doing right now to support the economy of Pakistan.
By the grace of Allah and the effort of my team and our partners, I am proudly announce that preparation for the first ever and largest single country exhibition of UAE in Pakistan are in final stage, and the Magnificent Seven is set to become the focal point of all the business community of UAE and Pakistan from November 30th till the 2nd of December. The significant event will also mark the celebration of the 40th National Day of UAE and completion of more than 4 decades of brotherly relation between UAE and Pakistan. I would like to congratulate all my Pakistani brothers on this landmark occasion.
Hi. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Najib Amin Giga. I'm representing the Giga Group here. We have been in Dubai since 1956 and had a couple of projects here. And now this venture, Giga Investment, we have taken it to Turkey, Malaysia, and now we're coming up with an opportunity for Pakistanis who have worked really hard in the UAE and spent a lot of time there trying to build the economy there. So now there are some opportunities that for Pakistan people, they deserve it, and we tried our level best, and the government always supportive also to Pakistan, and it's vice versa. Actually, here in Pakistan, since a long time, has been a great friend to UAE. It was the first country to recognize it as the United Arab Emirates, and we are grateful for Honorable Consul General and everybody here to have this event here, so we can know each other further and we can move forward. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
UAE's contribution towards the economic and social development of Pakistan cannot be denied, and it's also a reality that often this contribution goes unnoticed. But I think this event will go a long way in registering that point in a very emphatic manner, and we are very happy to be a part of this great initiative. Abraj Capital, as a strategic, I would say, investor in various sectors, has invested more than $500 million in Pakistan in financial, infrastructure and social development sectors. And we are very optimistic about the investments that we have made in Pakistan. And we feel that going forward, there are tremendous opportunities available in this country. The only thing required is basically to provide an enabling environment to these investors, so that they can provide I would say reasonable returns to their shareholders. At the end, I would say that we are extremely delighted to be part of this. We will very actively play our role in this event and try to make it a great success alongside the UAE Constituents team that is working with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much. Pakistan has, alhamdulillah, had a lot of things to offer. And this is the great opportunity for us, for Pakistanis, to make sure that we use the full what you can say, that the use of this opportunity and take it forward. So I would request you all that this is the opportunity for everyone. We would like you, the media, to play the critical role and show the bright side of Pakistan, so that we can get all the guests coming in and give them a good look of Pakistan. So I'll just open the floor for the question and answer, and I will request the question and answers only related to the expo, so that we can keep the focus and we don't take much time. So the floor is to you.
You see, my plan was to bring businessmen from UAE and let them to meet with their partners in Pakistan under one roof, and they will see what opportunities are there and what chances are there.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mohammad Abdul Rahman Kahoot, I am the Chief Executive Officer of Diga Investment. So we, as Mr. Vice Chairman said, that we are for the last 56 years, in 1956, sorry, we started our operations in Dubai. And Alhamdulillah, we have coordinated with a lot of international investors to bring in Pakistan. You can see Al-Warair Giga sir in Islamabad. So they are in our coordination. Emaar is, we are the local partners of Emaar, Alhamdulillah, here. And now we are coordinating more, and we always welcome Pakistanis and Dubai interaction on a national level. And now, Alhamdulillah, as far as you guys, especially media, is really concerned, what exactly is the focus of the point we are bringing in. As far as representation, we are always there. But as far as the project is, we are coming up with, there is a sector, automobile sector in Sharjah especially. The biggest one in all Gulf, in GCC countries. So we are going to bring one big project, inshallah, with the cars, heavy machinery and equipment together at one place, and on a very special rates, which ultimately, when the excellencies come, and we will coordinate with you, inshallah. So they will announce. I am not. We will announce, inshallah, on the opening ceremony. What is exactly the project, because there's a lot of coordination being done behind. And hopefully this is a very good sector to invest in, around 40.7 billion turnover in UAE alone. And our Pakistanis and neighboring countries, they are representing like 65% in all transport and automobile and scrap. This is the biggest market Pakistanis has the opportunity to go. So inshallah we will bring in, and in few days with the coordination of Consul General, we will come up with the plan. And sorry for the delayed response, Consul General, we will inshallah coordinate with you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
When their heads would be coming, or their representatives would be coming and keeping in view the ground realities that are far more different than what CNN and BBC tells. So do you expect that they can further go on big expansion already, those companies who are working already here?
Well, Pakistan is Pakistan for us despite whatever is happening. And we've been here, long time back, and it was, there was different times, bad and good times, but we are here. And we will be here, inshallah, for the future. And I wish that things will be in Pakistan stable and things will go for better. This is our hope. We have to be together, and Pakistan is an important country for us.
Good level. We are mobilizing Sharjah, the Chamber of Commerce, it was not there. Only Hamriya free ground. So now we are